Hey, it's Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace this lamp assembly on this Frigidaire range. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The lamp assembly is sold and shipped as an assembled unit, which includes the connection wires, housing, glass cover, and halogen bulb. If you need to purchase a new lamp assembly for your Frigidaire range, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Tools needed for this repair: a T15 and T20 Torx screwdriver or bit, and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Please disconnect the appliance from the power source before beginning. After disconnecting your range from power by either turning off the breaker or unplugging the appliance, pull the range out to be able to access the back panel. On this model, there are 3 different fasteners holding the back panel on. There are also 2 different style screws that use a T15 and T20 size bits and 6 screws that have a 1/4-inch hex head. The 3 along the top are short black screws, and starting down the side there are 4 longer black screws attaching the top of the back panel to the appliance. Along the sides of the bottom half of the panel are 6 1/4-inch silver fasteners. You may want to snap a photo with your device for reference of where each style fastener is mounted before removing them. Remove all the fasteners but leave the top middle screw for last. Once that fastener is removed, carefully move the back panel away from the appliance and set it aside. Please use caution because the edges of the back panel can be extremely sharp. The lamp is mounted in the top right corner of the oven cabinet. Carefully move the insulation away to see the assembly. Follow the wires from the lamp housing to find the wiring connections. Disconnect the lamp by pressing in the tab on the connector and pulling it free. Slide the lamp connector wires out of the plastic cord container. Locate the 3 metal tabs going around the lamp housing. You will need to press all 3 tabs in to be able to push the housing into the oven cabinet. This can be tricky and might require 2 hands. If you're struggling to push in all 3 tabs at once, try to push in 2 tabs and start to push the housing through the hole in the oven cabinet to hold those 2 tabs. With the 2 tabs depressed, depress the 3rd tab and slide it through the hole in the oven cabinet. Once all 3 tabs are depressed, push the light housing halfway in the cabinet and go around to the oven opening and carefully pull the lamp assembly through the mounting hole. The lamp assembly will now be free. If you need to purchase a new lamp assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you're getting the correct part. To install the lamp assembly, feed the wiring connector through the mounting hole in the oven cabinet and align the lamp housing with the channel in the opening of the mounting hole. Once aligned, press the lamp assembly firmly until all 3 tabs snap into place. From the rear of the appliance, assure that all tabs are through the cabinet. If they are not, either press on the lamp housing from inside the oven cabinet or adjust from the rear of the range. Once you've assured that all 3 tabs are in place, feed the wire through the cord retainer and reconnect the wiring connection. Be sure the tab on the connector locks into place. Don't forget to put the insulation back in place before putting the back panel back on. To reattach the back panel, align the holes in the top corners with the black screws in the back of the oven's control panel. Starting in the center of the top of the panel, insert a black T15 screw into the mounting hole to hold the panel in place. Insert the 2 other T15 screws into the corner of the back of the oven's control panel. Be careful not to over-tighten any of the fasteners. Moving down the sides, insert the longer black T20 larger threaded screws into the back panel. There will be 2 on each side. Finish by screwing in the 1/4-inch silver screws down the sides. There are 3 on each side, or 6 total. Slide the appliance back and reconnect the power. Your range is now ready for use. And that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor, and until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.